Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the problem apps closing automatically after opening it or while using it. So in my Android phone, when I try to open the Paytm app and click on any option in it, then it automatically closes and shows me an error message. So let me show you. So you can see that the Paytm app get closed when I click on to mobile option in it. So you can see that the app got closed and it showed the error also. So if you are also facing the same issue and your app is getting closed after opening it, then the way to fix it is you have to update your app. So go to Play Store app and open it. Now in the search bar, just type the name of the app in which you are facing the problem. So in my case it is Paytm app, so I will type Paytm and search for it. Now click on Paytm app and now click on update button. So the app is now updating. So the app is now updated. Now let's go back. Now let's open the app once again. So you can see that this time when I clicked on to mobile option, the app didn't get closed. So our issue is now fixed. So this is how you can fix the problem apps getting closed after opening it or while using it. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.